Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install and how to use Downloader application on your Sony Android TV. The Downloader application can be downloaded directly from the apps store on your TV. So just go to the apps tab, then open the search field and either start searching for the downloader using your keyboard, or you can also use your voice assistant. Just say downloader to it and it will find different applications for you to install. We are interested in this first downloader by AFTV News. It's the most universal one. It has limitations, which I'm going to mention later. But generally, you just have to select it, then click install. This application will be installed in a couple of seconds. Now open it, click OK. And now before you start using it, let's open settings, then go to all settings, then go to privacy, then in privacy tab, navigate all the way down to security and restrictions, open this menu, open unknown sources, and now switch toggle to the right next to downloader app. And now let's get back to the downloader app. So basically, you just have to enter a URL of an application. You can also enter the search term or shortcode to find the application that you want to download and download it using this string. Alternatively, you can use browser, which is there is a built-in browser in this application, and if you open it, now you'll be able to search for different websites to find an application that you need. Be very careful, as there are many malicious websites, many malicious files that you can download on your TV, and so we don't want to break it. So be very careful and only use the trusted sources for downloading your apps. One of these sources are, for example, the APKMirror, which is trusted by many users. They have their verification system for the applications they upload on their website, and generally speaking, they've been there for a long time. So I'm just gonna show you how to download the Brave web browser, which is not usable by the way on this TV, but still it's an app that you cannot download directly from the App Store on the TV. This is why I'm just gonna download it as an example. So let me just input Brave APK Mirror and tap go, and then the web browser will search for the options. I'm interested in Brave private web browser, VPN, Android 7.0, APKs. Open this. Let's open this result. Agree to the conditions, and on this page we'll be able to find different versions for different download versions. And on their website, they also include the extension type at the as you can see right here for each file that they have. And the APK file is a file that this downloader app can handle. So we can download this app, and it will be installed successfully unless it's not supported by our Android version. However, there are also bundle applications. They all require some additional software, which I actually mentioned in the video titled "How to Install Any App on Sony TV." So if you are interested on how to download bundles, and which include many different files, and basically how to install any application on your TV, check out that other video. This video is basically an extension for that other video, because in the other video I actually didn't mention the downloader app at all. So let's try to download and install this APK file. Let's skip the ad, and now let's wait for the download to begin, I think. Or do we have to press something? Oh, no. I actually pressed something. Didn't mean to. No, we have to select download APK. So let's download this APK file. Let's wait for a moment. Okay, and once this file is downloaded, let's select install to install it. And in a couple of seconds, we're gonna have the application that is not available in the original App Store installed on our TV, and now we can start using it. But in case of this particular app, we cannot actually use it without a keyboard and a mouse. I mean, we can, but it's very inconvenient because it's not adapted for your remote control. So it will be very inconvenient to use this application without the keyboard and mouse. But that's not the case. Let's just exit this application. Now the thing is, the external apps will not be shown on your apps list, neither on your home menu. So we're only going to have this downloader app, and we have two ways to solve this issue. Either you can access settings, then go to the apps list, and then find your application in here to open it. But I don't think that it's something that you want to do each time you want to enter the application. So yeah, here we have Brave, we can open it, and so once again we are here. But there is a more convenient option. If you download the Sideload Launcher, let me actually speak to my assistant. Sideload Launcher. I was in the wrong menu, wasn't I? Let's search for apps and games. Sideload Launcher. And here it is. So this first application, open it, install it, let it install on your device, and now let's open it by clicking open. Okay, and now here we have our application, or all of our applications, basically, including the ones that were installed from external sources like this Brave browser. So I think this is much more convenient, as you can simply go to your apps menu, find the Sideload Launcher, open it, and then easily open all of your applications. Now, the other thing that I wanted to mention in this video, and it will be the last thing, is that you have to manage the installation files and to clean up your memory. And in this downloader app, you actually have the Files tab. Go to this Files tab, and each time you download an application and install it, don't forget to remove APK files after you do that. So go to the Files menu, select the file, let's just wait for a moment. Hold the OK button on it, on your remote control, the central button on your D-pad, and then select delete. And this way you will remove all the unwanted files from your TV, and will keep it clean and running fast. So that's basically it. That's how you use the downloader app on your Sony Android TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.